Okay. Hello, dear friends. It smells good. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I am kind of in the mood for baking, and I just came back and made. It's been a couple of days, and my yogurt is made. So I want to make some baked chicken with yogurt marinade. So there are different kind of spice and the yogurt combined together. Let's do it. And I put the oven already. Oven is good to go. And this is the first time I do yogurt marinade. There was one time many years ago, I think 30 years ago, more than 30 years ago, 30 years ago, we visited our friend in Boston. He was studying in a law school, and we cooked something in his kitchen, the student dormitory kitchen, and he's from Marseille. So he made chicken with yogurt marinating. So we were laughing like crazy. We have never heard about yogurt doing marinating. So we were laughing. But it actually turned out to be pretty good. So I am doing it now. And I have this yogurt already made. I will show you just in a while. The oven is in 400 degrees. And we will put it in. Do not want to waste all this sauce. Okay, that is good. Okay, put it in. Let's go. And I will bake it something like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I do not know about baking, not at all. So my way of taking care of it is that every 10 minutes I will check it. So 10 minutes later, let's take a look. Gosh, I am a little bit not smart by using one hand to do it. Anyway, learned something. Now we will turn it around. This is 10 minutes later. Not yet done. It smells good. Okay, another 10 to 20 minutes. 400 degrees. Okay, see you later, alligator. Okay, I think I might have messed up it because I think I need to put the moisture is all get to the bottom, a little bit hard to clean, but it's so delicious. It is so delicious. Wow, it's just perfect, I think. Okay, I will stop the fire here and enjoy it. This is so good. Want to see? I cut out still juicy and white. That is good. Bon appetito.